Okay, we have a Bridgeport J-head milling machine. Serial number 105712, BR 105712. There's your head serial number. It's a bit higher, 105262. And we're gonna run it for you. Right now he's running the spindle in the low gear.
That's forward.
Forward. Reverse. Okay.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Changing the speed, you can adjust the motor, changes the belt position. Moves the motor back after that. Okay. Higher speed.
Brake.
Forward and reverse. Okay. We're going to run another speed, but we're gonna have to run the feed too.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. It's a low speed.
Lower speed. Right there.
Changing the belt speed again.
Beautiful.
Low and low. Okay.
Now we're gonna go do higher range. Snap.
Yep, we're in high. Okay.
Nice. Then down feet.
Power down feed of the quill. It's going to hit the stop and it'll pop out.
Beautiful.
That's that.
Again.
Again. All right, let's run with the table a little bit. That's the saddle in and out. And that's the table left and right. Okay. Off behind the machine. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.